a light and refreshing cocktail traditionally enjoyed during brunch. The mimosa is a simple yet delightful combination of champagne and orange juice. You will need the following ingredients: 3 ounces champagne. Use a dry or brut champagne for a perfect balance with the sweetness of the orange juice. 3 ounces. Orange juice, freshly squeezed is best, but you can also use high-quality store-bought orange juice. For equipment you will need champagne flute, measuring jigger or shot glass. Here are the instructions. Chill your champagne and orange juice until they are both nice and cold. Pour 3 ounces of orange juice into the champagne flute. Slowly add 3 ounces of champagne to the flute, pouring down the side of the glass to preserve the bubbles. Gently stir the mixture with a spoon, but be careful not to overstir and flatten the drink. Optionally, you can garnish with a small twist of orange peel or a fresh berry. The mimosa was reportedly invented at the Ritz Hotel in Paris in 1925. It's named after the yellow-flowered mimosa plant, as its bright color is reminiscent of the plant's blooms.